Hello guys, this is Russian Thomas Fan 10 here, and today's custom will be Victor. Victor is a Cuban a narrow gauge engine who works at the steamworks of Sodor. So I did some features on it, on the cab. I added the flag to represent that he's from Cuba. There's more features, but I couldn't paint the logo because it's too hard for me, and it's a painful process for me to paint the logo of the Steamworks. Although with the stripes I did great. But I did it with a toothpick, all the painting. And also the tail lamp, all the exact features like in the TV show. These things I tried to make to look like the Victor in the show and more realistic. So I forgot to paint buffers on the back. Maybe I'll paint them. So although Victor is turned out to be pretty good, now maybe I'll add more features and I extended the cab. You might thinking that this engine is a too smaller. If you want next video, please subscribe and click a like. Maybe I'll do another narrow gauge engine custom sometime. And I tried to make the handrail. It's too hard for me to do it, but I'll try my best. Maybe I'll repaint the lamp. Maybe it's got a little scratch in here. That's all for me, guys. Goodbye.